Hello, Mr. Pritchard. Is Katie home?
Yeah, I'll get her for you. Katie, Carter's here.
Hey.
Make sure you have her home by 10 and be careful.
I will.
Hi. Hi, sir. I was here. Hurry up, you have to take me home.
What time is it?
12:30. I'm supposed to be home at 10:30.
There was an accident.
Well, who was involved?
Your daughter and her boyfriend.
Don't drink and drive.
It's not worth your life
Or
others.